So we ran out of space on our applet there after 14 or 15 days. We had to get to 17 days. So now let's do some math. On your screen, what I would like you to do is to copy this table. It goes all the way from days after you get the coin all the way down to 17. Remember, your coins double only until the 17th day. So go ahead and try to complete the table. How much money will you have after the 17th day? So on our day 0, that's when we get our coin. We have 1 coin or $1. 1 day after we get our coin, we now have 2 coins or $2. On the 2 days after we get our coin, we have 4. On the 3 days after, we have 8. And notice we're multiplying by 2 every time. Okay, 8 times 2 is going to be 16. Multiplied 2 is 32. 64. And on day 7, we had 128 coins or $128. We only have 10 days left. We could have taken 50,000. Let's see how much money we're going to get. So on the 8th day after we get our coin, we're going to have 256. On the 9th day, we're going to have double again. That's 512. On the 10th day, we have 1,024 coins or $1,024. Now, it's going to get very tricky to do our multiplication very quickly here. So you are allowed to use a calculator here. So on day number 11, let's see how much we have. Well, on day 10, we have 1,024. And we're going to multiply it by 2, and that's 2,048. And we're going to keep multiplying by 2 until we get to the 17th day. So 2,048 times 2, 4,096. We're still not very close to 50,000. 13 times 2 times 2, 8,192 for day 13. I'm going to keep multiplying by 2 times 2, 16,384. Multiply that by 2 again because day 15 is going to multiply day 14 by 2. That's 32,768. Look what's happening on day 15. We're almost at our $50,000 limit. On the 16th day, we're going to double again, and we are at $65,536. Already, we've got more than what he originally offered us with the 50,000. And the last day, how much do we end up with? Our coins double one more time. Whoa! $131,072. If you said you would take the magical coin, congratulations. You just earned $131,000, which is more than double your original offer. Let's see how we did it. So I'd like you to take a look at what's happening on your table here. On day number 10, for example, we only had $1,024. We were still quite far away from our 50,000 limit. But then every day it doubled. And so very quickly, we reached on day 16, we were already over our $50,000 limit. Okay, on your calculator, just while you're here, you may use a calculator to solve exponent problems. Here's how you may do it. You may do always times 2 and just keep doing times 2. However, there is an easier way. On your calculator, I'd like you to look for this button here. It looks like a little X, with a Y at the top. You can see it right here. So we wanted to know after 17 days how much money we would have, and our money was doubling every day. So I choose 2, and then to the power of 17. So 2 after 17 days gave us $131,072. Okay. Pause, please. So we were actually using exponents to find out how much money we would have. And an exponent is used to indicate multiplying a number by itself. For example, 2 to the power of 4 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? Which in the end would give us 16. You may say this exponent here in different ways. You could say 2 raised to the power of 4, or 2 to the fourth power, or you could just say 2 to the fourth. However, very important, 2 to the fourth is not the same as 2 times 4. 2 to the fourth is 2 multiplied by itself 4 times. That shouldn't be there. And that's 16. 2 times 4 is 8. Very important. Note this down in your book, please.